What is a very low carb diet? Is it suitable for everyone? So a very low carb diet with the abbreviation VLC normally refers to a diet where the carbohydrate intake is no more than 50 grams of total carbs or 20 grams of net carbs a day. So this type of diet is a very effective tool for weight loss, especially if you have metabolic syndrome. For example, the restricted ketogenic diet, which is a very low carb diet, is used to manage and try to improve diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and epilepsy, but it is not suited for everyone. If you're following a very low carb diet, you have to make sure you are ingesting sufficient micronutrients and electrolytes such as magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Lack of certain micronutrients might cause health issues in the future. Also, keep an eye on your levels of vitamin E, A, and C, iron, thiamine, folate, and zinc.